This is the 3D VIEW-MASTER cartoon favorite Garfield Goes to the Pound. Garfield, that wonderful lazy cat, comes to you now in 3D. See Garfield try to outsmart Odie, the dog. Laugh at hilarious scenes as Odie brings his frightening bulldog friend to join the chase. But never fear, as all good cat lovers know, our lasagne-loving Garfield always comes out on top. Lovable Garfield, the cat in colorful, exciting 3D. VIEW-MASTER Reel 1. Picture 1. Time for Garfield to rise and shine. Picture 2. It's tough to face Odie in the morning. Picture 3. I'll get the dog yet. Picture 4. Odie's leap to freedom. Picture 5. Garfield follows. Picture 6. Look out below. Picture 7. Oh, Odie brought a friend. VIEW-MASTER Reel 2. Picture 1. This is no time to be lazy, Garfield. Picture 2. Up he goes. Picture 3. What big teeth you have. Picture 4. That cat's not worth waiting for. Picture 5. Don't look. Picture 6. A catch. Picture 7. What's ahead for poor Garfield? VIEW-MASTER Reel 3. Picture 1. Locked up. Picture 2. How would Garfield like that? Picture 3. Dreadful thoughts. Picture 4. Crunch. Picture 5. Escape. Picture 6. Home safe. Picture 7. A truce. We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up.